How to buy MEDdy AI token. See, this token came under the symbol of MEDdy. Now, before started, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created 19 hours ago and increased by 2000% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity here allowed by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token trending number 11 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on stop and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip patch. Now that you can go and buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy MEDdy token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.